Hello, I'm Rosie and welcome to my channel. This is workout number 5. We are going for abs and core today. We're gonna go hardcore to finish it off for our 5-day challenge. Let's start with our warm-up. Let's go. Okay guys, reaching up with that knee, twisting over. Switch it out. Okay, jumping jacks, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep it here, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lunge jumps, here we go. Go down, switch, switch, switch. Back to our jumping jacks, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and run. We're gonna step and hop. And back to a run. Okay, we're gonna skate it out. Here we go. Skate. And hold. Chest up, toes to the front. Here we go, skate it out. 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, get low. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hold. Keep it low. Nice. And lift up. Take that head down and up, down, up. Tilt to the side. Stretch it over. Nice. Tilt to the side. Feet together. Left foot in front. We're gonna reach back, toe up to the sky. For more of a stretch, pull that toe up. Keep that chest lifted. Take it into a lunge. And switch sides. Right foot, lean back. Bring that toe up. And lunge. Take it down to the floor. Hands down. Reach all the way up, so my left hand is in front of my right foot. Bring it down, pull it back. And let go. Come back up, switch sides, take it down to our lunge. Reach up. And down, reach around. And let go. Come back up to that lunge. Come back up to the center, feet together. We're gonna go down to the floor. Walk your knees out, so one leg bent, one straight, and switch. And switch, and switch, and switch, and switch. Bend both knees, roll way up, back down. We're gonna bend that right knee in. So that hip flexor, keeping our hips in line. And together, reach up, back down. Up and down. We're just gonna walk our feet out. Good job. Lift that right foot up and just circle that ankle. And the other way. And pull that foot down onto the floor. Pull that heel into the floor and back up. Left foot, circle that ankle around. And the other way. And pull down. So I'm just standing on the balls of my feet right now. Pull that heel down, lift back up, down to the floor. Press them heels into the floor, bend them knees, and roll up. Great job, you guys. Let's get ready for our first routine. Okay, this workout routine is an oblique blast. We're going to be working at a level 2 pace here. Our obliques is our sides here, coming into a sharp line down the bottom here. We're going to be working the core and the abs as well, so engaging that core, putting that belly button into that spine. We're going to stand wide and reach over and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, engage that core. 6, 7, 8, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, really reach over. 5, 6, 7, last one, 8, double time to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, to the left. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back to the right, up and twist, left, up and twist, right, up and twist, left. Now we're gonna crunch, over and crunch, over and crunch, over and crunch. Great, now 4 lift, knee lift to the side. 1, 2, gauge that core. Last one, 4, switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go down to the floor, side plank. Hold it up, go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna drop down and up. 2, squeeze. 3, 4, squeeze. 5, gauge that core. 6, 7, 8. Great, we're gonna switch sides. Back to our side plank. Push it up, hips up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, moving over to our plank position. Up on our arms. Hold it. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna bring our knees in and switch for 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down onto our back. Reaching to the side. And finish down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. Great job, you guys. We're really working on our muffin tops in that one. We don't want our muffin tops here. Woo! Get ready for our next routine. Okay, this is a level 2 abdominal workout now. So we're working on our flat ab line. We're gonna be working on this area here, the middle bit, which is our abdominal muscles. We're also gonna be working on our obliques as well, which comes into giving us our lines coming down here. So we're gonna start, first of all, in a plank position, up on our hands. If you need to, you can be on your elbows. We're gonna stay up, nice tight core, engage it in, lifting our knee in and out. For 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna sit down to the side, mermaid in and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna lie straight back and rock it back and down, down, up. Using them lower abs to lift as you rock back. Up, down. Crunch it out, keep your legs bent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna repeat mermaid on the other side. And in. 2, Engage that core. You can go down to your elbows if you need to. Rock it back. Here we go. Lift up, down. Squeeze it down, squeeze it up. We're engaging these lower abs as we lift. Then knees back. Okay, keeping our knees here and bent. We're gonna lift for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold up. And relax. Whew. Great job, you guys. Take a second. Let's move on to our next routine. Okay, guys, this section is called power abs. We are going intense, hardcore with the abs. So you're gonna feel that burn right away. You're gonna need to engage that core, pulling that belly button into our spine, making sure our lower back is pushing into the floor all times and not using our neck. You're gonna feel the burn right away, so just keep pushing through. Start lying down, knees in, up, and down. In, up, down. In, up, down. One more. In, up, down. Come up to the elbows, bicycles. Pull that belly button in. If you need to, you can slow these legs down. I'll keep the double paced. Lie back down, up, and legs out straight. In, and out. In, and out. In, watching that lower back. Coming up, double knee bounce. Pull that chest up high. Keeping that leg low. Back to our elbows, legs up, and switch. And switch. If you need to, you can keep these legs bent. Back to bicycles. Okay, back to the start. We're gonna lie down, legs out, and in, out, and in. Watch that lower back. Bend their knees. I'm still rocking a snapback, fresh kicks, hot top sweatshirts, but they don't understand me like my pops when he had his face straight in the dirt. Gotta love this new generation little kids, cause I push the gap, I do my thing. I always stay humble, but I never really try to react. Okay, legs up, like elbows up, it's funny like that. And switch. Woo. Good at them abs are shaking. Breathing through that burn. Bicycles. Great job, you guys. We're gonna twist it out and row. If you need to, you can lower them feet and keep that row. Or keep it up. But I love this champagne pop with a little in the middle, and I never stop. Astronaut speed, try fly to the top. I go out and forget to text my moms. Man, I just wanna go to Vegas and see the palms. Right now, this is just me rapping. We're gonna lie all the way back down, legs up. Cross them out. As you lower them legs, lengthen, making sure that lower back pull down. According to my plan, I never give a fuck about yes man. Turn over into a plank position. I live each moment like it's golden. My destiny, I hold it. I'm stuck in the moment. I'm stuck in the moment. It's true. Yeah, yeah. And relax. Great job, you guys. Good work. Go grab some water. Okay, we've now reached our last section of our workout. This is our cool down section. We're really gonna relax and stretch into our body and breathe real deep. You're gonna need a mat for this exercise. Lift up. Relax down. Breathe in. And out. And up. And let that head gently roll around. Take this roll in your own time. Switch directions. Over. Make sure this shoulder doesn't lift up and push down with the other shoulder. And switch. Bring that chin into your chest and gently just rock side to side. And come up and reach over to the side. Just gently ease through this stretch. Switch sides. Keep that hip on the floor. And up. And wrap that arm across your body. Make sure this shoulder doesn't lift up. Pull it down. And gently with your other hand, pull your arm in. Switch sides. Pull that left knee over on top. If you need to, you can keep this leg stretched out or wrap it down. Put that hip down to the floor. Pull that knee into your chest. Take a nice long straight back. Twist to the side. And switch sides. Pop that foot on top. Roll down. Pull it in, keep that hip down, and twist, and switch. Get on top, push down, keeping your hips on the floor, and gently come back up. Roll them shoulders. Thanks for working out with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed my 20-minute workout. Go back to the start to workout number 1 and work your way through. We're gonna be bringing more 20-minute workouts. I'm super excited about this. I'd love to hear from you guys and how you felt taking this challenge. I wanna know what you wanna do more of, what you liked, what you didn't like. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, VeryRosie, to get my updates. Excited to work out with you again.